So recently, I've been getting a lot of DMs of people asking me, what are the criteria to start investing? How do I start? Is investing actually for me? Well, in this video, I will provide a checklist for you guys to fill out to know if you fit the criteria of an intelligent investor like myself. Anyways guys, I'm just joking, but without further ado, my name is Demetress Fairman, and in this video I will go over the basics that you guys need to know if you should invest. Stay tuned. So the first question that you should ask yourself is, do you know anything about investing? And if your answer is no, then brother, you really need to start do some research, you know? So instead of using YouTube for all of those music videos that we so love, why not use it to collect information? YouTube is a vast database, you know? So use it. The literature is great and it's out there. Do some research. If not, just take a taxi, or since everybody going digital, go on their website, go onto a financial institution's website or a bank and check out their investment category, get some information, or go on the Jamaica Stock Exchange website and look up the process of actually starting or what investment is really about. But if your answer is yes, then
welcome to the Matrix, my friend.
Anyways, just joking. But if your answer is yes, then we're going on to point number 2. And point number 2 basically is asking the question, are you living paycheck to paycheck? And if the answer is yes, then you really need to set some priorities straight. You need to either make more money, budget, or spend less. But if you answered no, then that means you're a little bit closer to the final answer. You know, you already tick off 2 parts of this questionnaire, so stick with me a little longer, please. I know it's going to be long, but trust me, it will be worth it. Once you finish answering all these questions, then you too can be a Warren Buffett.
I don't see anybody in the 1% that wants to leave that category and join the 99% because they're feeling persecuted.
Now, the point 3 that I would ask myself is, if I should start investing now, or the capital that I invest, if I should lose everything, will it really affect me financially? No, I know that this is a hard pill to swallow, but it's something that you really have to ask yourself. If this happens, will it affect me? How will I handle this emotionally or mentally? This is a keen question to ask because it is a possibility. It happens, not a lot, but it happens. So are you ready to take that jump or that leap of financial faith into the precipice of money? I know guys, we call them now the English or the metaphor or whatever me use there. So, you know, it kinda jarring, but you know, stick with me. Anyways, back to the point. If your answer is yes, then go back up to step 2. Learn how to budget properly. Maybe get another source of income, a side hustle. Link to the video of my side hustle video, you know, plug. Anyways, if your answer is yes, then budget properly, spend less, or increase your income because you will need that extra capital or that buffer money just in case you should lose it. But if your answer is no, it will not hurt me financially to lose everything, then my friend, you have completed the round and now you can go on to be the very best trainer that there ever was. Anyways guys, that was my Pokemon reference. But if you've completed all those 3 steps, then my guy, you're ready to invest. And trust me, it opens a world of opportunities, guys. It may not be much in the beginning, but every little make a muckle, as we say in Jamaica. Know that we will call it now fractional shares. I'm not sure if that's the correct term that we call it in Jamaica, but you can actually purchase 1 share of a company now. First it was just 100 shares minimum, but now you can purchase 1. So the chance or the playing field is now level for everybody. First, they usually say investment was a rich man's game, but now guys, even a small man can buy it. It's just that we have to take our time learn, research, and be on the level of the big guys. Maybe they can put more capital in, but at the end of the day, we have to chip away and start our own little journey. That's why you should pick up dividend investing, because these stocks, when they appreciate or even depreciate, they give you a payout quarterly or monthly. And they do this because they're making a profit, and that is what they promise you as an investor. So research stocks that pay dividends and you will get passive income. You just invest some money and then you just collect some checks occasionally. Well, this is my end of the video, guys. It's a short one, but it's filled with some knowledge, all right? So if you guys really want to learn how to analyze stocks, then you can watch last video where I talk with Demetress as we go over the fundamental and the technical side of analyzing a stock. Watch that video, it's filled with knowledge. Don't mind the quality or the mishap that happened in the first part of the video, but give it a watch. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. By the way, I got these points from somebody that's very close to me on Instagram. Her name is Budget Tari. Head over, give her a like, love her page, share her page. She has many financial tips over there, guys, so maybe some will apply to you. So head on over and show her some love. Furthermore, put my channel out there to everybody. We want to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And watch all the video to the end too, please, because we need to get that watch time up. I'm seeing that almost 60% of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel. So the least you can do, guys, is subscribe for me giving you this free knowledge. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'm out.